welcome to a new video. Today I'm gonna be opening this package. It's from the anime 86 and it's a little action figure. Here on the back you can see you get 4 different faces and also a hat and a little notebook that she's holding, and then you can change the poses. Let's open her up. Oh, you also get different types of hands. That's cool. Okay, I really want to try to see how this one looks. I think I just like pull. I don't want to break it. Oh god. Oh, this has to go in there. Okay. That looks so cute. I'm trying to copy this pose right here. There are 2 more poses, but I'm gonna keep her on this one. I think it's very pretty and there are a lot of details on the hat and on her shirt, and the little pocket is so cute. However, it is hard to change the hands, but I don't think that's really a big deal. Overall, I think it's very cute, so very happy with it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!